Hey guys, so this week on my cloth and paper vertical inserts, I thought that I would use the Happy Planner Joanne Mega Sticker Book along with Dream Seeker. So this is how the current week is turning out. I am loving it. It's nice and it's simple. And wherever I don't have any type of decoration, I just go in with my own bullet points and just start listing everything out. And I think I found my groove with this layout. So let's go ahead and take these out. And actually the first spread that I ever did in this planner was using Dream Seeker, but I did use the flowers in here. So like these ones right here. But this week I'm going to be working with the feathers because I think they're really pretty too. Let's see, because I also saw that we do have a like little top 3 that has that feather with this purple, and I think that's kind of the color scheme and theme that I'm going to go with. So I like that last week I added like a box right here and it totally works. So I think I want to do the same thing. And let's see what I could use to layer it with. I'm thinking maybe like this right here. I think that could look pretty. So I'm gonna do it right about here. All right, perfect. And let me grab my tweezers. And as I'm filming this, Cloth and Paper is going to have their happy hour this afternoon. So make sure you're checking that out because they're going to be releasing like their new 2021 layouts and restocking some of their items. So always be on the lookout for the Cloth and Paper happy hour and signed up for their emails and all of that good stuff, because that's how you fall down the rabbit hole. And that is exactly what happened to me. So I'm going to be checking them out and I'm trying to figure out what I would like to do for 2021. So I'm still not sure, but I love that they're already thinking ahead. And it's only July, so I love that. So I kind of have to get on that train and figure out what I would like to do for 2021 because I love this layout and I do love the discs as well, but I've kind of been eyeing an A5, so I'm not sure. That's why I'm saying that I need to get on it, because if I want to order something for an A5, like I gotta start looking and getting that ready. So we'll see. I'm not sure yet. So I know that I always like adding a quote right there. So that's exactly what I did. And then I want to add a feather here. And I'm thinking this one is going to be way too big. Let's see. Well, actually, it might fit. But did I want to do like the whole thing or just like a little one? I'm not sure. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the big one and see how this one looks. So maybe like this. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Well, actually now it's covering that up. Okay, so now I'm not too sure. It is kind of a big sticker, so let's see if I can take this back up and maybe switch it for a smaller one. I think that one would look much better. This one is just a little bit too big. But I did like the idea of it. So there we go. Where did it go? Okay, so yeah, let's do this one. It's cute, it's simple, and I want to angle it maybe like this. Okay, so that looks good. And then I do want to go ahead and add one of these headers. And I'll choose the to-do since this is already taking up way too much space. Okay. So just like that, and then Let's see. I do want to use more feathers. And I'm also going to bring in these cloth and paper stickers because they just match so well with this sticker book and color theme. And actually, when I first saw these, I thought that these ones were the least ones that I was going to be using. But as you can see, I've already used the dots, the hexagons, and the tape. So I thought that was pretty funny. So with this one, I may do either the hexagons or the squares. I might even do the squares. I think that'll look really good. And I'm trying to see where exactly I added some. So I added some over here on Wednesday and then Saturday as well. Okay. So I'm going to start over here at the bottom. And I'm just going to add just a few. And then if I need anything else throughout the week, I'll just go ahead and add maybe another one or just come in with my own bullet points like I showed you in the beginning. I love that because it just gives it a clean look. So let's see. What else could we do? Because I think I saw like a half circle maybe. And I think that could look cute. And I do have this quote and I think that would have looked good. And obviously go with the theme, but I don't know. I think it'll take up way too much space. So we do have this one. These ones I think are way too long. So like this half circle. So maybe like this, and then I could maybe add like maybe the tape. I think the tape could look good. So maybe if I did something like this. So that could be different. I think I do want to try it. And I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. I think I like it with just a little bit of space. And then these ones just to add a little something. And then I still have space right here on top and in between. Let's see. Let me go ahead and add this one and then I can see how that looks. Okay, so I don't think I like that too much. I mean, it was a great attempt. So, did I want to leave maybe just one? Or maybe even if I put it up here? Okay, I think I like that better than that big space. How would another one look? Okay, so I don't think that looks too bad. It's different. It's unique, so I might just leave it. And I think I just want to add a few of these squares over here on Monday. Okay, so maybe like right there and just add a few more. I think that'll look really nice. And that way I have Friday and Tuesday kind of just by themselves, because I don't want to clutter it up too much. Let's see. I do see this other purple circle right off to my desk. And there's not really much any black in this spread aside from that. So I think I do want to switch it out. A little bit of layering and we'll stick with the same color scheme. So yeah, I think that one looks much better. That one was just sticking out like a sore thumb. And I actually think that this might be it. I don't like getting too many stickers all over the place, so I do want to leave a little bit of room and white space. So let's see. Yeah, I think I really, really like this. And like I said, I think I found my groove, and I am so happy because it makes planning just so much easier. So yeah, I think I'm done. So let's go ahead and get rid of all of this and put these pages back into the discs. All right, so here it is. I am loving the theme. I am loving the color scheme. I'm so glad that I found my groove in this layout. I think it makes planning so much easier. And go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you're ordering anything for happy hour, if you already ordered anything. And most likely I'll have a haul coming up soon, so look out for that one. But for now, I love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.